Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about the SQL Any and All operators. The Any and All operators allow you to perform a comparison between a single column value and a range of other values. The Any operator returns Boolean output and returns true if any of the subquery values meet the condition. What do we mean by this? The Any operator means that a condition will return true if the operation is true for any of the values in the range. Here is the Any syntax. Let's have an example. We will be using the well-known Northwind database for this example. Let us say that we want to list down the names of the products or product name that has any records in the order details table that has an equal quantity to 10. The syntax will be shown here. We will be using our product ID as our identifier for both tables. We will use an equal sign as our operator to indicate that we are finding the same identifier in both tables. After that, we will identify which table are we comparing it to the first table. In the case, we are comparing it to the order details table and a certain condition must be met, being that the column quantity of the order details table must be equal to 10. And the output of the syntax. As we can see, the returned products from the output is a total of 31 products. As 1, it retrieves any record that is equal to both product IDs in each table. Or 2, it also only retrieves any records that is equal to the quantity of 10 in the order details table.
The all operator, on the other hand, returns also a Boolean output, but it returns true if all of the subquery values meet the condition. This means that all operator will be only true if the operation is true for all values in range. Here is the syntax for all syntax. Let's have an example. Let us say that we want to list down the product name if all records in that order details table has quantity equal to 10. It's the same process as our Any syntax. We have an identifier, an operator, and two tables to compare with, except we will be using all, which means that all conditions must be met to return as true. In this case, this is not true. The output would be left as empty since there is a lot of more values than 10 in quantity column. Returning it is an empty. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching and check for our other tutorials.